People in today's generation sure is living in a fast-paced era where they can transact everything in just a snap with the use of gadgets. Researchers and developers of each companies are figuring out what's best in today's era. We can definitely deny the fact that gadget is now part of people's daily life because people can do a lot of things with it. One of the main reasons why people use gadgets in social media. In social media, we can socialize with other people that's far from us faster and easily. In this kind of crisis, social media helps the students, teachers, and even workers to communicate with each other, but it doesn't end there. Social media has been upgrading as time goes by. With that being said, people could now use it in many ways such as online selling, which is an advantage because the seller's market area are limitless. During this time of pandemic, we are advised to stay at home and we could only go outside if there's a need to do so. Resulting to that, people are really active on their social media for they have nothing else to do. Others are just socializing with their friends, even video chatting. Others are considering to run a business with the use of social media, which is a very good thing. We can definitely say that social media is unessential for us, especially nowadays. New normal might be hard for us to accept for we are not yet used to this kind of setting in our daily lives. However, we must cooperate and adjust for the sake of our safety, and who knows, tomorrow might be the day when we could finally go out without a mask on our face. Due to this pandemic, there's a lot of things we could reflect on. Mother Earth is finally breathing. Some people are fortunate enough to keep their job. Some are not. Be thankful of what you have right now. Because others are not as fortunate as you. Keep safe.